Hi there. This video is going to show you how to add the new Skyward Qmlativ instance to your Skyward app. First and foremost, you need to locate the Skyward app. Upon selecting the Skyward app, you may be prompted to put in a 4-digit code, which you can do. Then you will see your list of accounts. Most of you probably have the old Skyward account, which no longer is active. That will need to be removed, but we can do that at a later step. The first thing you want to do is add another account. Right below here, you'll see that there's an add an account button. You can click on that. Then you're going to search for Wisconsin Rapids. Just start typing it in, and it should auto-populate. Select Wisconsin Rapids Public Schools. On this page, you will select School Management, Family, Student, Teacher Access. Then you'll be prompted to put in your username, password, and an account description. For families, you'll enter your username, your password, and then you'll need to put in some type of account description. I highly recommend Skyward Qmlativ, but you can name it whatever you want. And then when you're done, select Add an Account, and it should log you in. For students, you will do this. You will use the Entra ID sign-in. Again, you will need to type in Skyward Qmlativ, or whatever you would like to name it. And then select on Sign in with Entra ID, and then you will be prompted to our Microsoft Entra ID login, where you will use your username and password to log in. If you have questions, please reach out to the WRPS Technology Support Department at skyward@wrps.net. Thank you.